So you know it is that time of year. You're filling out those dreaded tax forms, but the reward is always inside to get that refund check. And we hope that you're making plans to come see us with your tax refund. Joe, I've got some specials so that check can be stretched very far.
Definitely. We, as we were talking earlier, we have 2 sales that are coming up this month. One that just started today. It's through one of our banks that we use, so they send out 10,000 pre-approval letters. So if you received a pre-approval letter, bring it in. It's for real. It's not a joke. You're really pre-approved. Bring the letter with you. And bring your tax returns. That'll definitely help out. And then on the 12th, we're having another bank sale, different bank. So if you get a letter then, it's real. Bring that letter in too. It's okay. But we have beefed up our used car inventory. We have over 160 used cars in inventory now. You saw the Hellcat we just got in. We'll talk about that later. But we are prepped for the sale. We're expecting a huge turnout. A lot of letters were sent out. They are real pre-approval letters. So when you get them, it's for real. It's not a fake. It's not a scam. It's a real pre-approval letter. Bring the letter in. Do what the letter tells you, and you'll come in and pick out a car, and you'll drive home in it.
Very good. You know, Joe and his team, they've been working very hard to bring in some really good inventory. You just said, y'all have over, 160 pre-owned vehicles on the lot. That's not including the new inventory that they have. So come down and honestly just make plans to spend your refund check here. Yeah. It'll go to a good cause.
It'll go to a
your
good
car.
Cause. Exactly. Low payments, your car, drive a Subway in something real nice.
Like this Type R, maybe. We have the Type R here. There's a lot of really nice things in the showroom. We showed you that last week. So if the showroom's nice, just think of what's out on the lot. And you can research that yourself at ClassicHondaofMidland.com. We've got cars, trucks, SUVs, oh my, a little bit of everything.
There you go.
So come see us.